Hello amazing people, welcome to my channel Divya this side, the number one place for you to find lasting solutions for all of your life problems. In this video, we are going to talk about how human mind creates all of the diseases, the physical diseases, and how merely by changing our thoughts, we can cure all of them. Now, before we even begin this video, I want to share a small story with you. This story is of a lady named Diane, and she was having severe stomach cramps. There was no physical cause that was found for this specific disease, and these kind of symptoms or disorders are called as psychosomatic disorders, where there is no physical cause and the cure is also not found for those diseases. These are merely created by the mind. Now in therapy, Diane recognized that she had a relationship with a person named Tom, and after Tom left, she started having these cramps. And in therapy, she realized that when she was a child, her mother had left her family for another man, and that was the moment when she actually used stomach cramps as a ploy to get her mother back. And she used to scream like, "Mother, come back, my tummy hurts. Mom, just come back, my tummy hurts." And now she realizes that what she had used as a child as a ploy to get her mother back, now her unconscious mind has recreated that scenario in order to get Tom back. Now you see how mind creates diseases. Mind creates these problems, but only for your best. I have also shared another story in one of my videos, which you can see how mind created a lot of physical problems, and a girl even got paralyzed because of that. So the subconscious mind creates problems without even knowing the consequences. We are unconsciously creating problems for ourselves just by our thoughts. Let me give you a few more examples of how our mind creates problems. Most of the children who have problems with their eyes have something happening in their homes that they don't want to see. Similarly, the throat represents our ability to speak up for ourselves. And I am quoting all of this from the wonderful book You Can Heal Your Life by Louis Hay. When we have throat issues, it usually means we do not feel we have the right to speak up for ourselves. The back represents our support system. Problems with the back usually mean we feel we are not being supported. The lungs represent our capacity to take in and give out life. Problems with the lungs usually mean we do not have the right to live fully. A lot of people usually say that physical diseases are because of habits like excessive drinking or smoking or sleep patterns or not taking care of yourself. But let me tell you here that these habits are just behaviors, and behaviors are driven by the beliefs that one holds in the back of their minds. So again, this is all because of the subconscious mind. Our habits is because of our mind. We act in a certain manner because there are beliefs that we are holding about it. The beliefs then result to actions, and the actions lead to the results that we are getting in life. So in short, it is just our thoughts and beliefs that are creating our reality. Now, a lot of people who don't work out have a lot of limiting beliefs at the back of their mind, and some of them are, even if I make efforts, I am not going to become healthy. I am not worthy of living a good life. I am not loved and no one cares about me. I don't have the time to work out. And on the contrary, people who take care of themselves, people who take care of their health and are actually physically healthy and have no diseases, have actually contrary beliefs to these. And some of them are like, life loves me. I deserve all the good in the universe. I matter and my existence matters. I am worthy of being loved. So the habits that are keeping you unhealthy are driven by the beliefs that you might be holding on to in your subconscious mind that are creating these physical diseases. Now, if you want to get rid of the physical diseases, you need to get rid of these limiting beliefs, and you need to rewire your subconscious mind. Now, if you don't know how exactly to get to the subconscious roots of these problems, how to actually find out the root cause, the root beliefs that are creating these problems, you can check out this video here. Or else, let me tell you that there are just two basic patterns that create every disease. There is one form or the other of these two specific mental patterns that are creating all of the diseases. Let me read out an excerpt for you people from this amazing book called You Can Heal Your Life, and it goes like, I have learned that there are really just two mental patterns that contribute to disease: fear and anger. Anger can show up as impatience, irritation, frustration, criticism, resentment, jealousy, or bitterness. These are all thoughts that poison the body. When we release this burden, all the organs in our body begin to function properly. Fear could be tension, anxiety, nervousness, worry, doubt, insecurity, feeling not good enough, or unworthiness. Do you relate to any of this stuff? We must learn to substitute faith for fear if we are to heal. Faith in what? Faith in life. I believe that we live in a yes universe. No matter what we choose to believe or think, the universe will always say yes to us. If we think poverty, the universe says yes to that. If we think prosperity, the universe says yes to that. So, we want to think and believe that we have the right to be healthy, that health is natural to us. The universe will support and say yes to this belief. Be a yes person and know that you live in a yes world, being responded by a yes universe. If you find yourself with some sort of disease that was not listed in this video, become your own investigator and healer. Ask yourself, is it one of the forms of fear or is it one of the forms of anger? Are you willing to release those thoughts? Are you willing to replace those thoughts with positive affirmations? Loving yourself will also contribute greatly to healing your body, for love heals. Love yourself as much as you can, and all of life will mirror this love back to you. And lastly, say to yourself that I am willing to let go of all the patterns that I might have been holding on to subconsciously that might have created these physical diseases. You can go to my Instagram channel and check for yourself how a lot of lives have been transformed, how a lot of people have experienced change for themselves by applying these subconscious reprogramming principles. Well, if you liked the video, please share it with your friends and press the bell icon below so that you never miss an update from my channel, because I'll be uploading a video on how can you get rid of all of the limiting beliefs that you might have been holding on to subconsciously. This was all for today. Bye-bye.